This one is just going to show you my my 1.0 Target hanging system. First iteration, so let me know if you like it. And then I'll show you a couple different hanging deals aside from that, and you'll let me know if you like that too. So, it's pretty simple setup. These brackets, this is what you'll get if you order it. Well, the 1.0 model anyways. And you just simply, you supply the 2x4s, you slide them into the pockets like that. You have to have one for hanging them in the middle. I'd rather put one of them up on here first. You know, with the lean, it binds on itself. Put chains on this one just because it's what I had at the first time, and I know chains aren't necessarily liked because one or two shots on the chain, normally that's it. But what you do, just slide your targets over. Now, this isn't really a complete deal yet, but this belting is it's like seat belt, only a little bit stronger. Bring your second side into the equation. Adjust your targets accordingly. And that's that. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is just one way to hang targets. Alright, so when you're done with it, taking it down, simple as just lifting. Pushing that way there, and coming down. Taking your legs out. And there's one side. You take these legs out. There's your other side. Well, I guess thanks for watching, and if you would like something like this, just let me know. Let me know what you think about the hanging system in the comments. Like it if you like it, that'd be cool. But other than that, just really thanks for watching.